Hey, what is going on, guys? Hobby Nerd here, back with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be opening up the Rayquaza 3-pack blister pack. I think that's a Lugia, I'm not sure. Alright, let's just get right into it. I haven't had too much luck with Steam Siege lately. I've pulled all of the holos and almost finished like the master set. I'm just, missing, of course, the secret rares. The dreaded secret rares. I'm struggling to open this. So on these booster packs, we have 3 booster packs, the promo card, and a coin. Let's pop out the card there. Grab some sleeves for this video. Where did that coin go to? Oh, still in the box. Alright. Nice shiny red. Like I said, I think this is Lugia, but I'm not sure. Got the Rayquaza promo card. You have to look at it just right to tell if this card's a holo. Then we have a Yveltal break, shiny Gardevoir, and then a Xerneas break. Let's start with the Xerneas. Like I said, I'm still looking to pull all the secret rares. Knowing my luck, I will never get a single one. In this pack, we have a Persian, Claw Fossil Anorith, Skiploom, Klink, Joltik, Ponyard, Fungus, favorite Pokemon, Rufflet. Her reverse is a Joltik. Final card in this pack is a Gastrodon regular rare. Moving on to the Gardevoir pack. Code card. 3 from the back. Klefki, Armor Fossil Shieldon, Flaffy, Chimchar, Nosepass, Litleo, Sneasel, Yanma. Her reverse is a reverse Steelix Spirit Link, and a Xerneas holo. Alright, so far we've only pulled a single holo. Nothing too good. There's a code card for you guys. Try to do these blister packs as fast as possible, just so I don't take up much of your guys' day. Here's some Inferno, Anorith, Nidorino, Apom, Clauncher, Fletchling, Seedot, Drifloom. Our reverse is a reverse Klink, and our final card is a Druddigon regular rare. So for this one blister pack, I should say, in 3 booster packs, we just pulled a Xerneas holo and then the promo Rayquaza. Alright guys, stay tuned, more videos shortly.